treatable? Can you treat it? Number 3, is it avoidable by behavior? The answer to the 3 questions in the case of COVID-19 is that it seems that eventually all the 3 are possible. It seems eventually it is possible to get a vaccine, to treat, and of course to avoid. However, number 1 is still being worked on, the vaccination. The people in the world are working on it. Even here, we have started trying to develop a vaccine, even here. And many scientists are saying that unlike AIDS, this one may have a vaccine, because AIDS has been quite troublesome because of the behavior of the virus. However, working on the vaccine will take some 18 months. So therefore, the next question you go to is it treatable? Yes, we have actually treated 55 people and they have recovered and been discharged. Although there is no specific medicine for this virus, but if the body is supported by a number of measures, the body is able to fight off this virus. So in that case, it is treatable, because when you support the body defeats the virus. However, the treatability of this disease seems to depend a lot on the numbers of the infected people remaining small, so that the medical workers concentrate efforts on the patients. That seems to be very, very crucial, that you have smaller numbers which you can concentrate on. The first patient to recover on treatment took 16 days of concentrated attention by our medical workers at Entebbe Hospital. So you can imagine, if you have got like 10,000, each taking 16 days, that will be quite something. This now leads us to the 4th question. Is this disease very infectious? Yes, if you do not take precautions, and no, if you take precautions. That's the answer to the 4th question. Hence, ever since the emergence of the coronavirus threat in March 2020, we started on the prevention by avoiding on a massive scale, and also treatment, as we alerted our scientists to start working on the vaccine. That's our strategy. We started with number 3 strategy: avoid. Also, we had some capacity to treat, and then to start working on the vaccine. Between the 18th of March and the 30th of March, I announced a total of 35 actions that involved all the 42 million people of Uganda. You remember those, I don't want to repeat all of them, but you remember the big ones, closing all the education institutions, which accounted for 15. Piga Magoti, Nyamanzeni, and Sikiliza. That's really what we were doing. Muyimirire mukutamyeko zikutama zituniri is what? Fukamira, that's not military. Fukamira is Piga Magoti.